Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we are Thursday. When I woke up this morning I was 64.25 kilos and therefore this means that I have gained 450 grams since yesterday, which is totally normal when we're going to look at the numbers. So first, I broke my fast at around 11:30. I fasted overnight for 16 hours and I broke my fast with grapefruit and then my shake. 2 hours later, I had 2 eggs and toast. I also added a bit of muesli and 2 little croissants that are super loaded in calories. Each croissant is like this, and it's 200 calories each. It was gorgeous. It was what I needed. My last meal was taken at around 6, and I had only the seitan basmati rice with zucchini. I didn't have any cheese. I didn't have any soup. Any lentils. I just had a lot of jellies, like a lot of candies at the end. And honestly, I'm frowning, not because it's not good. You can have whatever you want. That's obviously not participating in achieving a calorie deficit, but it's because I felt a bit sick to my stomach because my stomach is not used to eating so much sugar and trans-processed food. So I'm eating pretty healthy with my meal preps and in general. So yeah, I felt a bit off and it wasn't the nicest sensation. So let's take a look at the numbers. In terms of total calories, yesterday we're talking about 2,415. So that's very high. That's usually what I do in maintenance when I'm very active. So obviously not a calorie deficit at all. In terms of protein, we're at 112.5 grams of protein yesterday, which is very good. I did not go to the gym. I did not walk. I did not get out of the house. Yesterday, I wanted to spend the whole day really resting, gaining calories, eating calories, and keeping my energy. Because after the 4 days of OMAD, which resulted in, good sleep this weekend, last weekend, but not necessarily a healthy feeling, I was really hungry all the time. And I was depleted. My energy was just gone. I had 2 training at the gym, which were really bad, legs and upper body, which were like, I was struggling. Walking was a struggle. So I really didn't like that. Now I have a last month in front of me where I can really have a routine, go to the gym as much as I want, walk as much as I want, and meal prep regularly. So I'm going to focus on that. And if you wanted to see some OMAD related content, it's not going to happen except if one day maybe I do OMAD, but I really want to focus on the quality and the taste of my meal preps, and I want to work on that, and that's what I want to share with you. For me, meal prepping is the #1 reason why I'm losing weight, because every single time I feel like having something a bit less healthy, nutritious, there's always a meal in the fridge that's waiting for me, except on the weekend. So that's where I'm really going to work, so I can really have always a healthy meal, healthy soup and some comfort food, but healthy and nutritious. And that's going to really fuel my workouts and the amount of exercise that I want to do, because I want to be active. I'm going to want to be outdoors. And so I really want to increase my level of energy, not decrease it because of OMAD. And I definitely don't want to be always dreaming about food and always starving. So I will keep these vlogs going. I have still about 4 or 5 kilos to lose before I reach my goal. So for me, this is really not my last chance, but my best chance to take care of myself, really have a strong foundation and lower my weight in a very healthy and steady way. So another 4 weeks, it's going to be very good for me. And I'm going to be able to incinerate a few kilos, hopefully. And if I don't, that's fine. It means I'm on a plateau. But I'm going to be active, I'm going to eat nutritious food, that I'm going to prep, that I'm going to prepare, and I will share all these preps with you, obviously, and all the data. So overall, yesterday, I did really treat myself in terms of eating whenever I wanted. I had 3 meals in a very short, 8-hour eating window, and it was really worth it. Did not move, did not want to spend any energy, so really took care of myself. I needed it. I did it, and I'm feeling a lot better today. So I'll see you tomorrow for today's feedback on today's prep and everything. I hope you're having a fantastic day, that you're feeling energetic, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.